Yo traders, it's a new day and today I'm going to be talking about what I will actually do if I'm to actually start all over again. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get the knowledge right. I'm going to go and learn forex all over again, right? I'm going to start learning from the basics to advanced, and after then I'm going to learn how to develop a strategy, which I'm going to be developing a strategy, right? Now this is what I want to tell you. I'm actually starting again. Yeah, I'm actually starting again, right? So right now I know the basics, I know everything about forex. I've already gotten the knowledge. Now what I'm doing is I backtested a new strategy. Yeah, I'm changing my mindset, I'm changing everything about me. I'm trying to work like a professional trader right now, right, and do what exactly a professional trader would do. All right, so after I finish backtesting my strategy, after I develop a strategy and backtest it, what I will do is I will forward test on a demo account, right? I'm going to forward test that strategy also. That's the two data I need. After then, this data I'm collecting are the data which will make me be confident in the market, right? So these are the things I will do, and after forward testing, I'm going to try to raise capital, which is raising capital from other source, not from trading. I'm going to try to raise capital from my side hustle, right? So if I'm to start again, I will make sure I have other source of income. Another side hustle is something that is very important that I won't joke with, right? I need a side income which I will use to take care of my basic needs, right? So if I'm to start over again, that's one of the things I'm supposed to get first, right? So that I can also use to raise capital. So now after raising capital with that, I'm going to try to trade that account. I'm going to try to trade that account consistently with proper risk management, right? With proper risk management, right? So this is how I'm going to trade if I'm to start again. This is the process I'm going to follow if I'm to start again, right? So the first thing is learning the basics of forex. That is getting the knowledge first, develop a strategy, back test, forward test, right? Which I'll be doing live, right? I'm going to be documenting everything here on YouTube. I'm going to be forward testing this new strategy, and like I said, I've changed everything, mindset, everything. So I'm going to be documenting every journey right here. It's just as if I'm starting all over again. So if you're a newbie in this channel and you've been following me for long and you also want to go along with me, it's just as if I'm a newbie right now. So you can come with me on this journey, right? You can come with me on this journey. I'm going to be dropping the link to my Telegram channel. You can join if you want to join, because I'm going to be sending all the trades I'm going to be taking, right? It's a 30 trades challenge, right? I will be starting it on the 2nd of June, which is this month we are about to enter, right? It's on Monday. I will be starting it, and I'm going to be dropping every trade right there on Telegram. So if you are really interested and you want to grow along with me and see how I do it, you can join using the link in the description of this video. All right, so that's that for that, and that's what I would do if I'm to start all over again. Peace.